This is how I make liquid gold. It saves me a fortune, and I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly, which many people use. But not everyone knows its full potential. Take 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly and place it in a small, clean bowl. Add a bit of honey. The antioxidants in honey slow down skin aging. Mix everything thoroughly. Now, apply this amazing blend to your hands. Your skin will be deeply moisturized and nourished. With daily use, you'll see visible results in just a few days. You have no idea how much avocado can help you. If you have trouble walking or getting out of bed, this method is perfect for you. Every doctor recommends this fruit. Avocado can save your life and the lives of your loved ones. It has incredible health benefits. You don't need to spend money on expensive medications when you have such a miraculous fruit at home. But as valuable as the fruit is, the avocado seed is even more precious. The seed contains over 70% of the antioxidants found in the whole fruit. Additionally, it supports collagen regeneration. So if you're struggling with joint issues, turn to this fruit. Remove the seed and don't throw it away. Peel off its skin if the avocado is very ripe. The skin will come off easily. Cut the peeled seed into smaller pieces. For less ripe avocados, the seed will be harder and may require more effort to cut. Place the chopped seed into a small jar. Pour over pure alcohol like spirits or high-proof liquor to cover the pieces. Let it sit for at least 24 hours. Then, use the mixture on sore areas and joints. Soak cotton pads in the solution and apply it to the areas where you feel pain. With just 2 ingredients, you'll wake up pain-free. Walking will no longer be a problem. Just make sure to use this homemade remedy regularly. Massage it into your shoulders, wrists, or knees before bed, and soon you'll forget about the pain. Pour Coca-Cola on your feet, and the results will exceed your expectations. But first, take a regular bar of soap and grate it using a coarse grater. The soap will serve as the base of the product. In a small pot, place 3 tablespoons of grated soap and add a cup of Coca-Cola. It has cleansing properties, dissolves impurities, and helps regenerate dry, calloused skin. Simmer on low heat, stirring until fully dissolved. Now, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, followed by 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. Coffee is rich in antioxidants and has exfoliating properties. Mix everything well and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the mixture cools, apply it evenly to your feet. Wrap them in plastic wrap to create an occlusive effect, allowing better absorption. Put on socks to retain warmth and enhance the mask's effectiveness. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. Your skin will be noticeably softer, smoother, and refreshed. This simple homemade mask is a perfect way to care for your feet. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Place a sprig of rosemary on your neck. You will be pleasantly surprised by the results. This wonderful plant has many applications, some of which have beneficial effects on our health, beauty, and well-being. In this video, I will show you how to use rosemary. It turns out that a compress made from it has brilliant properties. It is a medicinal plant that should not be missing from your home. It has antioxidant, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties. Put a few sprigs of rosemary into a jar. Fill it to the top. The more sprigs fit into it, the stronger the mixture will be. Then pour salicylic alcohol over the entire content, covering all the leaves. Screw the jar tightly and set it aside for a few days in a dark place. Before the mixture is ready, I will show you another use for rosemary. This plant is excellent at reducing unpleasant odors. Just pick a few leaves and sprinkle them in your athletic shoes. The bad smell will disappear. After a few days, the alcohol will extract the rosemary extract. Soak cotton with the solution and massage it into your neck. This plant has incredible power. The oils it contains improve well-being. Such a compress is excellent for combating headaches, insomnia, and migraines. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose-leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results.